Hi guys, today we're making some pink marbled cupcakes with own made sprinkle set. I bought some different kind of sprinkles that I'm gonna mix together to make a one sprinkle set for these cupcakes. The ones I used are this pink set for Valentine's Day, then some white shining sugar, some hearts, and some golden palette looking sprinkles. You can also bottle the sprinkles if you want. You can use them later or you can give them as a gift. Then on the top of the bottle, I put a pink cupcake liner and tied it with a bow. So like this, you have a really nice and beautiful looking package. Then you need a portion of my vanilla cupcake batter, divide it into 3, start coloring one part light pink. I will link below the colors that I used for this recipe. Then you want to color the other third slightly darker, so just adding a little bit more of the food coloring. Now you have 3 different colors. So I have 3 different shades. Start spooning the batter with a teaspoon into the cupcake liners. So I started with the plain, the one that I didn't color, then with the light pink, then the dark pink, and then adding the rest of the batter so that I have even amount of batter in each cupcake. Then just smooth out the top a little bit. Once the cupcakes are baked, leave them to cool completely before frosting them. This is how the cupcake will look on the inside. So it has nice different colors and it's nice marble. For the frosting, start softening the mascarpone in a bowl. Then add the whipped cream and the powdered sugar. Then you want to mix everything very well, so it will take some time until everything is combined. So it takes time to mix in the mascarpone, but you want to mix well to get this kind of really smooth consistency. Then transfer the icing into a piping bag and pipe into the cupcakes. Again, I will link the tip that I used below in the description box. And then let the sprinkles rain. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any of the coming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.